All right, now the lighting is a lot better in this room. Okay, so today we'll be reviewing NAC by Life Extension. Now, NAC has gotten a lot of uh, news in the press recently because the FDA is looking at banning it as a supplement because now there are many studies showing that it's highly effective at preventing and alleviating um, COVID. And their argument is that, well, it needs to be taken off the free market to ensure that there's enough for the physicians to use it, which makes very little sense. The current manufacturers of supplements could simply increase their production of NAC so that more people could take it as a preventive measure. And if pharmaceutical companies also want to make it, they could start producing it as well. But I think a lot of it has to do with pharmaceutical companies wanting to be able to make money off it by patenting it and charging insurance companies hundreds of dollars for it. That's what my pharmacist hypothesizes anyway. But regardless, NAC is something I've taken for a long time. It's recommended by Dave Asprey. It's recommended by many functional medicine doctors. It boosts glutathione levels by up to 30%. Um, Ever since I started taking NAC, I have not gotten sick once. Um, it's amazing for your immune system. Um, I also noticed that I sleep better with NAC and that I also have less brain fog, so I'm more able to clearly articulate myself. I don't forget words as easily. It has many neuroprotective effects, um, and it's not something that's as powerful as like ginkgo biloba or gotu or bacopa or Valerian and Bachelor chamomile, where you can like feel and see the results immediately. Um, I have reviews for those supplements as well on my channel. Um, and I love the supplements where I can immediately boom like ginkgo biloba 15-30 minutes after taking it, more motivation, sharper cognitively, feel you know like you can skip your cup of coffee and just take ginkgo biloba in the morning, and it's like better than a cup of coffee for waking you up, and it only has positive side effects. But this is about NAC. So NAC, they're looking at banning it. So now's the time to stock up. Life Extension makes a really good brand of it. Um, Life Extension has always been a very reliable brand, but you can't go wrong with now. And there's several other brands that are trustworthy. All you need to do is go on. Well, you can't go on Amazon anymore. They don't sell on Amazon anymore because the FDA sent out letters to a bunch of different sellers online saying to stop selling NAC because they're looking at classifying it as a drug so that only pharmaceutical companies can sell it. Um, Completely ridiculous, completely ridiculous. Um, I disagree with it um, very much so, but I'm not going to get into politics here. Uh, I think everyone can agree that if there's something out there that can help prevent COVID and alleviate symptoms significantly, then it's not something that manufacturers can't produce more and more of if necessary. You know, honestly, NAC is a supplement that I think everyone should take. It's one of those. Um, since it's so good for increasing your body's health and vitality, as anti-aging benefits, it's like one of those supplements that it's there's a reason like I'm actually 31, but I look 22, you know, or even younger. I mean, I have people thinking I've so many times I go to bars and people think my ID is fake. This stuff actually works. Like a good supplement regimen, the anti-aging benefits of certain supplements are absolutely amazing, and NAC has incredible anti-aging benefits. Great for your skin. It's great for the collagen in your body, collagen production. It's a powerful supplement. Now, if I can minimize this and look at the article, benefits of NAC, it prevents inflammation, also helps with my heart condition. Anything that causes inflammation within my body, it sometimes causes heart pains and chest pains and such. And NAC definitely helps prevent those chest pains. It's one of the reasons I was able to manage my heart condition via functional medicine, whereas traditional medicine failed me with that. It also failed me in terms of addressing my depression and anxiety, both of which I had to solve on my own, utilizing education and research and alternative medicine, functional medicine, Ayurvedic medicine, in order to properly cure. I got cured my anxiety and depression with a combination of supplements, RABT therapy, and the alpha stem CES therapy. I have a review of the alpha stem that I'll have at the end of this video as well. But I mean, this is just an off-the-cuff video. I didn't take the time to prepare a series of bullet points to go over. Since it's such a timely manner, I'll just make this video for now. But in the future, I'll go more in depth about the biochemistry of NAC. As a biohacker, I want to learn more about, biology and medicine in a very deep sense. I want a better understanding of mitochondrial function. I want a better understanding of all the different neurotransmitters and how they're modulated, and why certain supplements have the effects they do, so that I can become an advanced biohacker. So as a beginning level biohacker, I take supplements, I optimize my lifestyle, optimize my diet for my heart. But in order to live past 40 with my heart disease, I'm going to have to become an advanced biohacker. And that means talking to like PhDs in cardiology about the utilization of stem cell therapy to reverse heart disease. There are some studies showing that stem cell therapy can reverse heart disease. And there are also some clinicians who have said that, their patients came in to get intravenous stem cell therapy done, and they came back and said, hey, it's strange, my heart rhythmia went away after the treatment, because they got they got it done for like a knee surgery or something. You can use stem cell therapy for any sort of orthopedic procedure, and it'll reduce the amount of scar tissue significantly. And it'll also have stem cell therapy also has profound anti-aging benefits, and it's something that biohackers do every year to help keep their biological age as low as possible. Because where do the stem cells come from? They actually take it from your fat or your bone marrow. So they'll take it, whatever syringe, whatever they utilize to take the bone marrow out. They take that, then they find the stem cells within the bone marrow and or the fat, and then there's like an 8-week process by which they get the stem cells ready, and then they inject you with your own stem cells. So there's no fetuses involved, no dead babies, So stem cell therapy, it's called autologous stem cell therapy. Autologous means yourself. So autologous stem cell therapy means stem cells from your own body. If anyone has a heart disease, definitely look into stem cell therapy. Do your own research, consult with your physician, consult with a functional medicine doctor. If you don't already have a functional medicine doctor as your primary care physician, I don't know what you're doing. Traditionally trained doctors are completely ignorant outside of anything besides drugs and surgery, and they're great when it comes to drugs and surgery, and drugs and surgery save people's lives. But in a lot of cases, you need to change your lifestyle. You need to meet your emotional needs and change up your social lifestyle. You need to change up your diet. You need to improve your sleep hygiene. You need to improve personal hygiene. You need to do various different. You need to take supplements instead of drugs. In many cases, you can take supplements instead of drugs. For example, I found flaring lemon balm, passion chamomile to be far more effective than Xanax in reducing my anxiety without getting addicted. Like with Xanax, where you get addicted to Xanax and you could die from withdrawal. They give up Xanax like candy when they could be utilizing supplements. There are about a dozen anti-anxiety supplements that are proven to work highly effectively. But again, consult with your functional medicine or integrative medical physician about these things. I'm not a doctor. This is not meant to be medical guidance or counseling. These are just my personal experiences and my personal views that I'm sharing with the world. But anyway, NAC, it's a must-have supplement. It definitely is. And get it before the FDA forces everyone online to stop selling it, because they are looking at banning it.